Good evening, YouTube. Wait, hold on. Good evening, YouTube. There we go. That is Eric's new ride, and we're gonna pull some stuff on it. There's some shit on it he wants to take care of, so we're gonna do that. Okay? Let me show you his new ride. It's pretty badass. Eric!
What's up?
What's the new ride?
It is a C63S.
C63S.
Yes. What's the S in yes?
Puts the S in yes. Puts the S in super fast.
It is pretty good.
Ooh. Oh, that beeps. It makes a little humming noise.
I'll show you on the good.
Alright, so you can see, here's the actual factory trim, and the last owner put that plasti dip shit on it. So we're going to try and remove that back to the original, so we'll have that trim again, which I think will look better that way.
Oh! That thing is strong!
That works very good. Yeah, spot the paint.
Yeah.
Or your face. That looks pretty cool in slow actually.
Want to try? Get a little close up of it? I'm gonna do a steady. Here you go. Hey, it's downshifting, dude.
Downshifting. Yeah.
Once again, Dan saved the day.
It's old and has a leak.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that thing's pretty old. It's like, still works. Whatever. Alright, here's the progress. Oh, still got a lot to go down here. Still gotta get in there. And all of this down here. Alright, let's see the interior of this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. It's got like, oh, look at it's got like sexy lighting inside.
Oh, bro, check this out. So the lighting that it has, it's so cool because it's kind of hidden. So that, well, it's not all in your face. You know, you're like, well, where's the light coming from? It's coming from back here. Another cool thing is that, so we go into the menu, vehicle settings. So this knob right here, you can turn the knob or use this, like swipe, like kind of like a phone.
Oh, wow.
Right? Or you can use this. It's kind of more tactile. So what we do is we're gonna come here. We're gonna go back. Here you go. So we have ambient lighting color, dude.
Ooh, ambient lighting color.
So right now I have it in that, but I can change. So it goes from this side to the bottom where your feet are. So I can change it to.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ah.
AMG. Oh, yeah. This I'm getting used to now because in the ATS-V this was not there.
Yeah. It's on the actual side.
Oh, check this out, dude. This option. So it has. You might have to come from the other side, but if you look at it from this side here, I'll hold it. So there's this thing on the left side right here, and when I got the vehicle, I was like, what is that? And that thing right there is for this device that you can purchase at Mercedes, and you put it in there. It's like a canister, and it'll circulate through your AC. A really good smell, whatever variety they have at the dealership.
It's an air freshener?
Yeah, dude. It'll circulate through your whole AC.
That's funny.
Which is pretty cool, man. Some people hate the tablet. I like the tablet. I think the tablet's kind of cool. Or it looks like a tablet, but
Yeah, that's all right.
it has a panoramic sunroof.
Oh,
So
well, I can't really see
yeah,
that today.
we're gonna have to do that in the daytime.
Yeah.
But I can do the other one to see. Ah, yeah. Oh no!
Oh, that was not the smartest.
Dude, get a towel from the trunk.
That was funny.
YouTube's gonna kill me with this. Oh man.
That's too funny. All right, note to self: never open the moonroof when it's wet.
Yeah. Hey, my Cadillac didn't do that.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Oh.
You can hear it, but by me just turning it down. Watch.
Oh. Weird.
Sure.
Interesting. It actually increases the RPMs a little.
It does, yeah. But yeah, so next edition will be Dan driving it and his honest opinion on it.
All right. All right. Well, we got most of that crap off Eric's car. I think we're gonna have to try a round two tomorrow. We're kind of obviously run out of daylight, and it's hard to see because our lights aren't very good. But yeah, so he's gonna try again tomorrow, and hopefully get the rest of that crap off and have the car look a little better. But it's all right. It sounds pretty nice, I have to say. And the interior of that thing is very nice. So I can't wait to go out for a ride in it and see how it is. So we'll do that soon. We'll take that thing out for a ride pretty soon. I think you guys will like that. So, all right. Well, there you go. More stupid car shit. Consider subscribing, watch that video, thumbs up, sharing, all that good stuff. We'll do more car stuff soon. We'll see you then.